Hey guys, welcome back. Coach Cosmo here. We're at the Cave in Marin. We are doing another warm-up. It's Tuesday, April 7th. To start it off, we have 30 flutter kicks on our back, arms overhead, getting that core engaged. We're gonna stay on the ground. We have some supine twists, so just opening up that lower back there. Then we're back to another set of 30 flutter kicks. After that, we're gonna go into a pigeon pose, just hanging out 30 seconds per side. After that, the last set of flutter kicks. And then from there, we're staying on our back for a plow pose. All right, moving on, we're gonna do some stretching. First thing we got is a QL stretch. All right, getting into that lower QL, opening up the lats on each side. Then we have a straddle pancake stretch. After that, we have a dip stretch. All right, moving on for the last part of our warm-up, we're gonna do 2 rounds, 6 reps of a runner's warm-up per side. Then we have 8 overhead sit-ups and 10 goblet squats. All right, after we get 2 rounds of that, we're gonna do 4 Turkish Get Ups per side to get us prepped for part A. All right, you guys, get after it.